Car Patrol.
Kita ba?
Hey guys. Are you playing Escape from the Zoo? Fun, like Madagascar. First one to the Car Patrol HQ wins this cake. Yum. Good luck. Uh-oh, that looks like a nasty storm. Be careful. Oh no! Baby Matt! Quick, catch him before he blows away. You'd better call the Car Patrol. Squad, Baby Matt is caught in a windstorm. Can you help? Hurry, he was at the playground. This way, guys. Come on. Do you see any clues? Don't worry, we'll find him.
Baru, Mimaba?
Great idea. Maybe you'll spot him from the sky. I don't see him. What's that? Oh, there he is. Don't worry. Car Patrol is here to help. Come on, guys. We found him. He's up in this tree. Can you reach, Frank? Great idea. He can land on this.
Mama.
You can do it. Jump. Whoa! Nice jump. We're so glad you're safe. You crazy zoo animals have definitely earned this cake. Enjoy! Well done, Car Patrol. Bye, friends. See you soon. The Car Patrol. Hey, baby cars. Isn't it a bit late for you to be out playing, even if it is Christmas Eve? There's no point waiting for Santa Claus. He never lets children see him. Hey, Matt.
What?
Santa Claus needs some help from the Car Patrol. He has to deliver some presents, but the baby cars are still awake. Oh, well, if Hector is on holiday and Frank's on a special mission, I guess you'll have to get them to sleep on your own.
Oh. I don't know. What? Uh-oh.
Oh, I see. Matt's trying to tire out the babies with some exercises. Oh, poor Matt. He looks more exhausted than the baby cars. You'll have to try something else.
What? Oh. What? What? Well, no.
Great idea, Matt. A bottle of milk each should make them sleepy.
Oh. What?
I can't believe the babies are still wide awake after all that. Why don't you tell the babies a bedtime story now, Matt?
What? I don't know. Well, I don't know. Well, I don't know. What? What?
It's working.
What? Well,
Looks like Matt will soon be asleep too.
Uh-uh.
Ho, ho, ho.
Well, man, I don't know.
You think that could be Santa?
Oh.
Santa Claus never let anyone see him. Merry Christmas, everyone. Ho, ho, ho. Hi there, Jeremy. How are you today?
Oh.
What was that? It's getting louder. Is that the Hulk?
Oh.
What are you going to do?
Le manteau.
Good idea. The car patrol will help.
Huh?
Oh no, you can't get to the phone.
Oh.
Matt, the Hulk is attacking Jeremy's house. Can you help? What are you going to do? Hey, I've never noticed that button before. It says emergencies only. Wow, what does that do? Matt, is that you? Hector? Frank? Captain America needs you to help him. The Hulk is attacking Jeremy's house. Hold on, Jeremy. You need to go on the roof. Your house is very badly cracked. Look, the Hulk has chased Captain America. Now it's safe to save Jeremy. Good thinking, Frank. You can support the house while Hector saves Jeremy from the roof.
Go! Go, go!
Great job, Hector.
Le manteau.
Good idea, Hector. I think you'll need to fix Jeremy's house.
Go, go!
Wow, it's Spider-Man and Iron Man. It's the Avengers. And look, you've trapped the Hulk. It's no use, Hulk. You can't beat them all. Do you have an idea, Spider-Man? Careful, he's going to charge. Wait, what's happened? I see. Great idea, Spidey. You caught him in your web. Now, Hulk, you have been a very naughty boy. You could have hurt Jeremy. Marley, it's you? I think that you owe Jeremy an apology. You almost knocked down his house.
Có bơ.
Hi, Hector. Do you have some cement to fix the cracks?
Có bơ. Bà đã đi.
Jeremy, I think that Marley has something he'd like to say to you. That's nice, Marley. You can help to fix what you broke, and maybe next time you become the Hulk, you should stay away from the city. Great work, Frank and Hector. And thank you, Avengers, for stopping the Hulk. See you all again soon. Carlo, wake up. You fell asleep. You've got deliveries to make. Where are the pizzas? Good idea. Let's get the car patrol on the case. Squad, listen up. We've had a robbery at Carlo's. Come quick. Hurry. Carlo has deliveries to make. Look, Carlo, the squad is here, and Frank brought you more flour so you can replace the stolen pizzas. Matt wants to investigate. That's right, Matt. This security camera will definitely show the thief. There he is. And he's taking the pizzas. But who could it be?
Papini bobo.
You know?
Uh-huh.
All right,
Oh.
we'll follow your lead, Matt.
Uh-uh.
Jerry? But why did you take all of Carlo's pizzas? Well, you're certainly not hungry anymore. So just how did you know it was Jerry? Oh, you recognized his spoiler.
Uh-huh.
Very clever, Matt.
Ooh.
It's so nice of you to help Carlo make replacement pizza, Squad. And what a smart idea making Jerry pitch in. You did a great job today, Car Patrol. Thanks again. See you soon. The Car Patrol. There's Matt and Frank.
Oh. What?
And it looks like they've seen something. Well, that is strange. It's Susie, the little pink car. What's that noise? Oh, Gary, could you come and help Susie? Thanks, Gary. Are you okay, Susie? What happened to you? You don't know what happened because you were sleeping all the time? How strange. And you found several other cars on their sides this morning too, Gary? Don't worry, Susie. Matt and Frank are going to set up a night watch so they can catch whoever is doing this. There's our night detectives hiding in the dark. And there's Susie, fast asleep. Everything looks normal so far. Could this be the criminal? Oh, it's Gary. He can't hear us. Gary! Hey, Gary! He's asleep. Gary, wake up. You're sleepwalking.
What?
It's okay, Gary. You were sleepwalking. Susie, you're safe. Gary's really sorry, Susie. Perhaps you could start wearing a wheel lock, Gary, so you don't go wandering in the night again. Good idea. Go and put one on now. It's time to go to sleep. It's time for Susie to go to bed, too. Good night, Susie. It's been an action-packed night. I'm sure you two will need some sleep as well. Good night, Matt. Good night, Frank. And good night, Gary. No more sleepwalking. Hey guys, follow us in our big adventures by clicking more videos. Download our app to play with your favorite friends. Thanks for riding with us. Hope you liked our video. Click here to subscribe and join the Car City family. See you on the road.